Hi friends, this video shows how to add Chromecast remote to Google TV streamer 4K device. Go to home screen, then go to right side, then you can select this Bluetooth option or go to the settings, go down, select remotes and accessories. Here under this voice remote section you can see Google TV remote. So I am going to add Chromecast remote in this list. So first we have to select this option, pair remote or accessory. Now it's searching for accessories. Next I am going to add this Chromecast remote. So first I need to press and hold these two buttons together, back and home button. So let me press and hold these two buttons together. Please wait. See, now on top right you can see Chromecast remote. Select that. Now it's pairing. Please wait. Okay, paired. See, now under this voice remote section you can see two remotes, Chromecast remote and Google TV remote. So this way we can add this Chromecast remote to Google TV streamer 4K. Let me try to control using this Chromecast remote. See, it's working. Okay, so you can try this. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Please subscribe this channel. Please like and share the video. So if you want to unpair this Chromecast remote, you can select Chromecast remote, then forget. Set yes. Done.